A very good morning to this blissful day. My name is Guntha Singh Barsal and we're here to celebrate Teachers' Day. A guru is not the mantra to success, but a guru with an interactive mind and interactive stability is the mantra to success. Now I would like to request Captain AJ to share his thoughts with us.
Dear teachers, I've been wishing to speak to you for a long time. And it gives me great pleasure to greet you on this apt and opportune moment of Teachers' Day. Please accept my best wishes on this auspicious occasion. My working and active life as a school leader for the past 3 decades has been very enriching and uplifting. I feel extremely fortunate to have worked in these wonderful institutions like Pine Grove and St. Soldiers. And I've enjoyed every moment of my journey. It has been enriching, elevating, and inspirational. I have relished working with such a wonderful team of devoted and able teachers such as you. I am proud to be associated with St. Soldiers. Today, I feel gratified in saying that I am extremely honored to be a small part of your tremendous institution, and also feel proud to be an enthusiastic team of pedagogues such as you. You are fully aware that St. Soldiers has grown from strength to strength, from a handful of 200 students when I joined the school to a fantastic school of 2,000 students. We have not taken too long to get there. The public has reposed a lot of faith in our institution, and it's considered one of the top educational schools of the city. This would not have been possible without your devotion, zeal, and hard work. The character of a person, a family, or an institution is tested in difficult times. During this pandemic, you have all stood up to the challenge and have come out admirably well. I salute you. The way you have effortlessly adapted to the online teaching and carried out your responsibilities without a glitch, so to say, is very commendable and truly remarkable. A lot of parents have been appreciating you all, and I am delighted to receive email messages speaking about you. You have performed extremely well in the board examinations too. Honestly, even better than my expectations. You produced stupendous class averages in 10th and 12th and are improving each and every year. You need a big applause for it. Fantastic. To produce city and as Tri-City toppers repeatedly shows your prowess and ability in producing the best. It is not only the best, but all your children collectively are doing well. And that is something you need to be very proud of. You all need to be congratulated for your hard work, and I wish and pray you continue to do this good work. Keep learning, keep training yourself, and keep improving. I understand the school is facing great financial difficulty during these hard times of the pandemic. The government has reduced the fee by 42%. That's we are only charging 58% of what fee we were supposed to charge. And not even 50% of the parents are paying the reduced fee on time. That means we are not even receiving half of the fee which we should have been receiving. But nonetheless, I truly appreciate many of our parents for holding our hands during these hard-hitting times, and we are extremely grateful for those who have come forth to pay the fee even during these past months. We sympathize with those who are finding it difficult to pay, and I am sure that they will also rise up to the occasion very soon. We respect and hold them in high esteem. We could not have existed without them. As management, for us today, the most important aspect is to create and ensure continued high quality online teaching for our students and to take care of the livelihood of all our employees. I assure you, we shall all together come out of this tough situation extremely contented and happy that our children did not suffer academically and we stood by them and our parents as what is expected of us. Someday we shall look back with pride and contentment at these difficult times and feel happy that we did our duty and did it well. Teachers have always been seen as nation builders. Our past president and most revered APJ Abdul Kalam had said, teachers should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, and moral leadership among students and become their role models. Remember, he said, become their role models. You have the responsibility of nurturing the future of our nation. My father had always said, the future of a nation is in its classrooms. You as teachers are the ones who are building the nation. You are a second parent to these teachers. It is a divine responsibility to guide and enlighten them. That is why it is said, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Dev Mahaveshwar. You should always be mindful of the high status given to teachers. I am sure you must be remembering what Kabir had said. Guru Govind dono khade kaake lagu paaye. Balihari Guru aapki. In Govind Dio bataye. Kabir had said, यदि कभी ऐसा हो जाए कि गुरु और भगवान दोनों एक साथ आपके साथ सामने खड़े हों तो पैर किसके पहले लगाऊं? तो गुरु को प्रणाम पहले करो. कारण यही है कि गुरु ने ही बताया था रास्ता ईश्वर का. Always take pride in your work. Respect yourselves and remain grateful to God that you are among those chosen few. Of all the resources required to run a school, the most important is the teacher. And I've always seriously believed that the greatest asset of a school is not the buildings, not the playfields, not the infrastructure, but it's the devotion and quality of the teachers of that school. Give a good teacher a tree, a blackboard, and a piece of chalk. Doesn't need huge, fantastic buildings. He can produce a great student. I also sincerely believe that if a child encounters even one good teacher in his educational journey of those 12 years, he is truly blessed. बेड़ा पार हो जाएगा उसको एक बढ़िया टीचर मिल जाएगा. And never forget that you are the spark, you are the inspiration, you are the guide, you are the candle to the life of your students. So never give up on your students, and I'm sure you'll be able to together overcome all these challenges which have been thrown to you by this COVID situation. Wishing you all joy and happiness in your work and in your life too. I am very proud of you. And I am deeply thankful to you all for your selfless and devoted performance of duty. Well done, Saint Soldiers. Keep the flag flying high. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Captain AJ, for your blissful thoughts. Now I would request our principal, Mr. Ranjan, to share his thoughts.
Dear all, this is one day for us when we celebrate, reflect upon, and get recognition for our work, rejoice, and feel important for being in this noble profession. I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. I wish to reiterate that take pride in your work, feel the great responsibility towards the children given in our care, Remember, we are their hero and role model. Today, I salute you all for your commitment, devotion, sacrifice, and efforts in bringing education to the children's homes through online classes. The ease with which you have adapted and taken to online classes is commendable. I'm aware of the fact that teaching online requires much more effort, time, and preparation, especially the correction work. I want to underline that your work is being taken note of and is appreciated. This year's board result of 10th and 12th was excellent, and I wish to applaud all the teachers who have taught these students in class 10th and 12th and those too who have taught them in lower classes. I, on behalf of the management, express our appreciation to teachers of class 10th and 12th and have decided to give an incentive, an amount which has been transferred to your bank accounts today. You all are good teachers, there's no doubt about it, and have also always maintained that we strive to become great teachers. This journey from good to great should be our goal. We have the duty to serve the community selflessly and inspire students to work even harder in this challenging COVID situation. We have to take the lead and guide students in our care. We have come a long way as an institution, and today let us promise to take this great institution even further. God bless you and your family. Follow social distancing and stay safe. Wish you a happy Teachers' Day and enjoy your day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now, I would request my friends to share their experiences in various ways of their expertise.
शिक्षक दिवस के इस उपलक्ष्य में हमारे सभी शिक्षकों को समर्पित चंद पंक्तियां। बिन गुरु के नहीं होता जीवन साकार, जब हो सिर पर गुरु का हाथ तभी बनता जीवन का सही आकार। गुरु ही है जीवन का सफल आधार, दीपक जैसा जलता है गुरु, फैलाने ज्ञान का प्रकाश। न भूख उसे किसी दौलत की, ना कोई लालच ना आस, बस उन्हें चाहिए तो सिर्फ हमारी उपलब्धियां और ऊंचाइयां, ताकि जगह खड़े उनकी तरफ पलट कर देखें तो उनका सिर उठ जाए गर्व से और उनका सीना हो जाए चौड़ा। मेरी तरफ से सभी गुरुओं को शत शत नमन।
Hello everyone, I am Supreet Salaria and I want to share my views on Teachers' Day. A teacher ignites the fire that fuels a student's thirst for knowledge, curiosity and wisdom. A good teacher is a way to success. I am very lucky to meet you all. You all have been such a wonderful friend and my biggest support. And I can't be more grateful to you all. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं शेखर 12वीं कॉमर्स की ओर से आज एक शिक्षक दिवस पर एक छोटी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। था टीचर का ब्लैक बोर्ड, ज्ञान का खजाना, हुआ ये किस्सा पुराना, ये है मोबाइल का ज़माना। मिल जाते हैं अब मोबाइल पर ही गुरुजी, मिल जाते हैं अब मोबाइल पर ही गुरुजी, कहते हैं वहीं से तुम पढ़ाई करो शुरू जी। अब मोबाइल में टीचर, टीचर के पास मोबाइल, ध्यान से सुनिएगा, अब मोबाइल में टीचर, टीचर के पास मोबाइल, देखते देखते सारे स्टूडेंट्स करने लगे स्माइल। बच्चे अब कर लेते हैं वहीं से आज्ञा का पालन, बच्चे अब कर लेते हैं वहीं से आज्ञा का पालन, पढ़ाई के नाम पर होता गेम का संचालन। ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई से मम्मी पापा भी खुश, ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई से मम्मी पापा भी खुश, नहीं पता उन्हें वहीं से लूडो खेल रहा है उनका दुष्ट। अब टीचर की डांट से बच्चे होते बड़े प्रसन्न, बड़ी अजीब बात है, अब टीचर की डांट से बच्चे होते बड़े प्रसन्न। भाई साहब क्यों नहीं होंगे, अब क्योंकि अब टीचर को चुप कराने का उनके पास है बटन। टीचर मोबाइल से थोड़ा थोड़ा ही पढ़ाएंगे, टीचर मोबाइल से थोड़ा थोड़ा ही पढ़ाएंगे, अन्यथा बच्चे मोबाइल बंद कर कर भाग जाएंगे। अब टीचर मोबाइल से ही पढ़ाएंगे, अब टीचर मोबाइल से ही पढ़ाएंगे, मम्मी पापा भी खुश कि बच्चे कुछ कर दिखाएंगे। धन्यवाद, आप सबको शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
नमस्कार, मैं श्रेया सूरी कक्षा 12वीं और आप सबको शिक्षक दिवस की मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। और इतने कठिन समय में भी शिक्षा प्रदान करने के लिए शिक्षकों को हार्दिक धन्यवाद। जब रोते हुए छोड़ जाती थी तो क्लास में हंसकर बैठना सिखाया आपने। दूसरों की गलतियां माफ़ करना भी मैंने आपसे ही सीखा है। जब मेरी कुछ नादानियों को नज़रअंदाज किया क्लास में आपने। मेरी कामयाबी की रेलगाड़ी को धक्का मारने वाले भी आप ही हो। आज जो भी मैं हूँ वो आपके ही कारण हूँ। आज जो भी मैं हूँ वो आपके ही कारण हूँ। तुम जो हो तो अंजुमन है, तुम जो हो तो अंजुमन है, तुमसे ये अंजुमन है। तुम जो हो तो ये अंजुमन है, तुमसे ये अंजुमन है। तुम हो तो अफसाने हैं, हमारी कामयाबी के किस्से हैं। तुम हो तो ये अफसाने हैं, हमारी कामयाबी के किस्से हैं। तुम हो तो अजीब सी मुस्कुराहट है, अजीब सी दरिया दिली है। तुम जो ये रोज़ रोज़ वक्त से 2 मिनट पहले आते हो, कायदे के किस्से सुनाते हो। तुम जो ये रोज़ रोज़ वक्त से 2 मिनट पहले आते हो, कायदे के किस्से सुनाते हो। वही पुरानी बातों पर पूरी ज़ोर से चिल्लाते हो। तुम इतनी मोहब्बत कहाँ से लाते हो? तुम इतनी मोहब्बत कहाँ से लाते हो? उस छोटे बच्चे को उसकी माँ से दूर करने वाले आप थे, और कुछ ही दिनों में उसकी दूसरी माँ बनने वाले भी आप थे। उसे A फॉर एप्पल और B फॉर बॉल सिखाने वाले आप थे, और उसे इतनी हक से डांटने वाले भी आप ही थे। उसका मनपसंद किरदार भी आप ही थे। जब उसके मन में आने लगा कि काश सारे सब्जेक्ट्स मैम हमें पढ़ाए और पूरा दिन हमारे साथ रहें। सर, मेरी ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा खौफ आप थे। जब मुझे अपने पापा से ज़्यादा आपसे डर लगने लगा। मेरी पढ़ने की ख्वाहिश भी आप थे और कुछ करने का जज्बा भी आप थे। मेरे सबसे करीब भी आप ही थे। जब अच्छे मार्क्स आने पर मम्मी पापा से पहले मैं आप लोगों को कॉल किया करती थी। मेरी शिकायत लेकर बेशक आप मेरे घर आया करते थे, पर मेरी कामयाबी पर पूरे शहर में ढिंढोरा पीटने वाले भी आप ही थे। मेरे 5 मिनट क्लास में लेट आने पर मुझे क्लास से बाहर निकालने वाले भी आप थे, पर मुझे समय की अहमियत सिखाने वाले भी आप थे। हाथ पकड़ के चलना सिखाया माँ ने, पर दुनिया में गर्व से खड़ा कैसे होना है वो सिखाया आपने। सोते समय लोरियां सुनाई माँ ने, पर उन लोरियों का क्या मतलब है वो सिखाया आपने। इस दुनिया में लाई माँ, पर मैं क्या हूँ और क्या करना है वो बताया आपने।
Every year, on the 5th of September, we commemorate synonymously the birth anniversary of our late President, Dr. Radhakrishnan, with Teachers' Day, as he was one of the most renowned, proficient and articulate educationalists India had ever witnessed. Teachers are the most important components, rather, the building blocks of a society based on morals and that believes and works on morals and values. Perhaps it would not be wrong to say that teachers play a pivotal role in the upliftment of the society on an equal platform. Under the current time, when the pandemic scares the nation, our teachers act day and night diligently without rest or respite as a frontline force working thoroughly for decreasing the gap of education in the absence of a classroom teaching environment by imparting lessons with the same josh, the same strength and the same interest. In order to make this transition from a physical, real, face-to-face class environment to turn into an online learning environment. A platform that might have barricaded us to our households, but yes, did not barricade learning. It is today that we celebrate the lives of teachers, but it is not restricted just to today. Rather, it's not inhibited to any day. It is something that should be celebrated every minute of every day. And I would like to end on a quote of one of my favorite educationists, whom I have always looked up. And he liked to say this, that good teachers are not those who give the right answers. Good teachers are those who present you with the right questions. Thank you so very much for being present. Thank you so very much for teaching us, not only in this time of crisis, But on the behalf of the entire St. Soldier student crew, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.